I'm not going to claim this was an easy project, particularly because SwiftUI forced us to think in such a different way from UIKit. Not only do we have the declarative, reactive approach to logic, we also have @state, environment objects, two-way bindings, and more to deal with. It's a combination of powerful new Swift language features in tandem with whole new UI framework stuff. In this project, I've tried to expose you to a number of different things all at once, including lists like this, stacks of text horizontally and vertically, and also Z stacks. Plus, when we were ordering stuff, we added forms here with this lovely way to pan in and out for pickers. We had navigation like you just saw, we had alerts when we confirm orders, and more. Even then, there's still a lot more to cover, but even at this early juncture, it seems clear to me the goal is not to build all apps with SwiftUI, Apple shipping only a subset of functionality we need, so it has time to bed in before we start adding more. So, as great as SwiftUI was this year, you should expect to see even more out of WWDC20. One of the best ways to learn is to write your own code as often as possible. So here are 3 ways you should try out your new knowledge to make sure you fully understand what's going on. First, go into the menu and customize order this button. With a custom font, background, styling, shape, whatever you want, make it look like your button. Second, in the checkout view, make sure you add a pickup time option here, alongside how you want to pay and loyalty card. Here are the options now, tonight, and tomorrow morning using a picker. And finally, add a favorite button to the navigation bar in item detail, either a filled heart or an empty heart, depending on whether each item is favorited. Then add a favorites tab showing all the favorites in a list.